When was the first 20-point economic program announced in India? Answer is option C, 1975. Friends, if you understand in detail, the 20-point program was initially launched by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The program first revised in 1982 and again in 1986. Gujarat has been among the front-ranking states in the country in implementation of the 20-point program 1986. What was the name of the women's regiment in the Indian National Army founded by Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer is option B, Rani of Jhansi Regiment. Friends, the Rani of Jhansi Regiment was the women's regiment of the Indian National Army, the armed force formed by Indian nationalists in 1942 in Southeast Asia. It was one of the all-female combat regiments of the Second World War on all sides. It was led by Captain Lakshmi Swaminathan. The announcement of this regiment was done by Subhash Chandra Bose on July 12, 1943. Which among the following year Santhal revolt was occurred? Answer is option B, 1855 to 56 AD. Friends, Santhal uprising was a rebellion of Santhal tribes settled in Rajmahal Hills in Bihar, now in Jharkhand, against British and Jamindars. Santhal uprising was led by Sidhu and Kanhu. The Santhals are the largest tribal group in India, found in Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. In 1955, which synthetic element is provisionally named Mendelevium in honor of the Dmitry Mendeleev, who created one of the first periodic tables? Answer is option C, element 101. Who among the following rulers set up the department of Diwan-e-Khairat? Answer is option A, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Friends, let's know about Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Firoz Shah Tughlaq belonged to Tughlaq dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. He established the Diwan-e-Khairat to take care of orphans and widows. He established the Diwan-e-Bandgan department of slave. Which layer of the atmosphere prevents ultraviolet rays from coming on the surface of the earth? Answer is option A, stratosphere. Friends, the ozone layer is a natural layer of gas in the upper atmosphere that protects humans and other living things from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The ozone layer exists in the stratosphere, a layer 10 to 50 km above the surface of Earth. The international community established the Montreal Protocol on ozone depleting substances in 1987 to address the destruction of the ozone layer. Who among the following is entrusted with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy in India? Answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Friends, the Reserve Bank of India is vested with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy. This responsibility is clearly mandated under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The ninth schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of. Answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Friends, if you understand in detail, the ninth schedule contains a list of central and state laws that cannot be challenged in courts and was aided by the Constitution First Amendment Act 1951. It was created by the new Article 31B, which along with Article 31A was brought in by the government to protect laws related to agrarian reform and for abolishing the Jamindari system. When was the Morley Minto Reforms Indian Council Act passed? Answer is option D, 1909. Friends, in 1909, Lord Minto was the Viceroy of India when the Indian Council Act was formulated. During that time, Lord Morley was the Secretary of State for India. This act is also known as Morley-Minto reforms. Under this act, principle of direct election was included. To which Veda Gopath Brahman belongs? Answer is option B, Atharva Veda. With which religion is Kalika Puran associated? Answer is option B, Shaktism. Friends, Kalika Puran is one of the 18 minor Puranas in Shaktism. It glorifies the goddess Kamakhya. Shaktism is a Hindu denomination that focuses on the worship of Shakti or Devi. It is more prevalent in northeast India like West Bengal and Assam, where they celebrated Durga Puja. In which rock edict Ashoka mentions about the casualties of Kalinga war and declares the renunciation of war? Answer is option D, Rock Edict 13. In which of the following inscriptions victory of Skandagupta over the Huns is mentioned? Answer is option A, Bhitari inscription. Ajanta caves are connected with which of the following books? Answer is option B, Jataka stories. Friends, let's know about Ajanta caves. The most famous cave sites in Ajanta. It is located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state. And you know friends, the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Ajanta has 29 caves. The Ajanta caves were inscribed by the Buddhist monks under the patronage of the Wakatak kings Harisen. Ajanta caves were designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1983. Who was the first Muslim to study the Puranas? Answer is option D, Al-Biruni. The first Muslim to study the Puranas was Al-Biruni. He was born in 973 AD. He was a resident of Riva, ancient Khwarizm. He came to India with Mahmud Ghaznavi. The strongest bone in the human body is? Answer is option B, in the jaw. Which of the following musical instruments is considered to be the best blend of Hindu-Muslim musical instruments? Answer is option C, sitar. What has been the name of Rohtang Tunnel of Himachal Pradesh changed? Answer is option D, Atal Tunnel. What has been the new name of Australia's Harris Park? Answer is option D, Little India. The French failed to establish power in the Deccan because? Answer is option A, the English had a strong army. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.